Welcome to the ANPS channel, students. Welcome to the ISSO Olympiad exam preparation. Today I'm going to discuss Chapter 5, the Revolt of 1857 to 58. First question, who was the Mughal emperor at the time of revolt of 1857? The correct the options are from here: Shah Alam II, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Aurangzeb, Ahmad Shah. The correct options I'm going to choose from here is option B, Bahadur Shah Zafar. Next question from here, dash was the place from where revolt of 1857 started. Options are Ahmedabad, Patna, Jhansi, Meerut. The correct options I'm going to choose from here, the Meerut. Next, Bahadur Shah Zafar was deported to dash. Options are London, Nepal, Rangoon, China. The correct options I'm going to choose from here is Rangoon, option C. Next question, Nana Sahib was the adopted son of dash. Options are Shivaji, Raghunath Rao, Baji Rao, none of those. The correct answer I'm going to choose from this side is none of this. Number 5, dash was the one of last territories to be annexed. Options are Bengal, Delhi, Awadh, Madras. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option C, Awadh. Select the incorrect statement from here. In the countryside, peasants and zamindars resented high taxes. In Indian sepoy, the employees of the company were not satisfied. Next, after 800, the company allowed Christian missionaries to function freely. Next, many Indians began to feel that British were destroying their religion. So the correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option C. After 1800, the company allowed the Christian missionaries to function freely. Next, what is a mutiny? The options from here: when peasants do not pay taxes, when everyone revolts against the foreign rule, when soldiers overthrow a colonial government, when soldiers as a group disobey their offices in the army. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option D, when soldiers as a group disobey their officers in the army. Next, questions from here. On 8th April 1857, a young soldier, Mangal Pandey, was hanged to death for attacking his officers in dash. Options are Patna, Calcutta, Meerut, Barakpur. The correct options I'm going to choose from here, option D, Barakpur. Who among the following died fighting the British? Options are Bakat Khan, Lakshmi Bai, Tatia Topi, Khan Bahadur Khan. This is one is series based question. So from this area I'm going to choose option B, Bakat Khan, Lakshmi Bai and Khan Bahadur Khan. Next, number 10, Kunwar Singh, an old zamindar, was the leader of rebellion from dash. Options Punjab, Bihar, Delhi, Kanpur. The correct options I'm going to choose from here, option B, Bihar. Next question I'm discussed from here. Delhi was recaptured from the rebel forces in dash. Options are August 1857, June 1858, April 1858, September 1857. The correct option is option D, September 1857. After the revolt of 1857, the Governor General of India was given the title of dash. The correct answer from here specifically is option D, Viceroy. Because there are secretary, governor, presidents, lots of there, but only the viceroy have particularly governor general India given the title. Next is question is artisans and craftsmen were ruined by dash. Options are traders, fair competitions, unfair price, unfair competitions. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option D. Next question from here. The British policy of annexing territory led the displacing of the dash classes. Option working, ruling, peasants, lower. The correct options I'm going to choose from here is option B, ruling classes. Next, number 15 is the rulers who accepted the terms of subsidiary alliance lost their dash. Options family, independence, life and money. that is independence, option B. Next, doctrine of lapse was introduced by dash. Options are Lord Dalhousie, Robert Clive, Lord Cornwallis and Lord Wellesley. The correct option I'm going to choose from here, Lord Dalhousie. Next questions from here. Which among the following communities were recruited in the army of the revolt of 1857? The correct option is Sikh, Pathans, Gurkha, all of this. The correct questions answer from this is all of this, all of the community. Next question is a law passed in dash allowed a Christian convert to inherit ancestral property. Options 1850, 1857, 1880, 1900. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option A, 1850. In the army, no Indian could rise higher than a dash. Options are A, Subedar, B, Sepoy, C, Chaukidar, D, Commander. So the correct options I'm going to choose from that particular area is option A, Subedar. Next, select the odd one out on the basis of the revolt of 1857. The correct option I'm going to choose from this area, the options are Kanpur, Jhansi, Delhi, Hyderabad. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is Hyderabad. Next, Achievers Horse questions. There basically we can see the series based question. In competitive examination, that particular reason based and series based question carry a lot of marks. So check out it from here, students. Match the column, choose the correct option. Column 1, Nana Sahib, British Qadar, Alamuddin Shah, Bakat Khan. Column 2, Lucknow, Kanpur, Delhi, Faizabad. The series base relative I'm going to choose you. Here the correct option is, this is also the match the following base question, is A. How Nana Sahib related to Kanpur. Next, B, 2-1. British Qadar related to Lucknow. Next, Alamuddin. Number 4, Faizabad related to Alamuddin Shah and Bakat Khan related to Delhi. Next is, read the following sentences and choose which one is true and which one is false. The question asks, the British passed law banning sati. Indians were not allowed to travel the first class. Next, women were discouraged to take up Western education. Educate Indians were denied promotion. So the correct series I'm going to choose from this area is option C. The British passed banning sati is true. Indians were not allowed to travel the first class is true. Next, women were discouraged to take up Western education is false. Next is, education Indians were denied to promotion is true. That is the correct series from here. Next question, by the Act of 1858, Roman I of the British Cabinet was appointed to manage affairs in India. He was called the Roman II. He was assisted by an advisory body called the Roman III. Secretary of the State was responsible to the Roman IV. The correct series, in series base, the names are Secretary of State, Indian Council, British Parliament and Minister. I'm going to choose from this area, correct option is D. So, in particularly in that area, we can definitely say, by the Act of 1850, a minister of the cabinet, British cabinet was, first is minister, British cabinet was appointed to manage affairs in India. He called the Secretary of State. He was assisted by the advisory body called the Indian Council, the Secretary of the State responsible of the Parliament or British Parliament. Okay, so this is the first one, this is the second, and then third and fourth. So the next question I'm going to discuss here, match the given column and select the correct options. Again, column based question. Column 1, high revenue, demand, subsidiary alliance, widow remarriage, law of 1850. Column 2, political cause, social cause, economic cause, religious cause. The series based question, as per that, I'm going to choose the correct series from number 24 is series D. How? Number 3 is related to A, high revenue demand related to the economic cause. Next is political cause demanded to the subsidiary allies. Next, social cause related to the widow remarriage, and law of 1850 is basically the religious cause. So the next statement, the last statements I'm going to show you from here. This is also the reason assertion based also question. So read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1, the revolt was not organized properly. Statement 2, the uprising in the different parts of the country were uncoordinated. So the correct options I'm going to choose from this area. Both statements 1 and 2 are true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Both statement 1 and 2 true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Both statements 1 and 2 is false. So as per that, the correct option I'm going to choose you from the A. Why? Because both statement 1 2 are true and statement 2 is a correct explanation of statement 1. Yes, the uprising in different parts of the country were uncoordinated. It's the true fact of when the revolt was not organized properly. Okay, so see students, again I'm going to show you the OMR script. So whenever you choose OMR script, choose it very meticulously and very carefully. Okay, and do bold it with a black or given the instructions ink. Okay, suppose the first question answer is B is correct, then you have to darken the circle out. Next is second to D option is correct, then you have to darken the D option out. And that's way you have to learn your whole question paper. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the session. See you soon with the very next session with a very new topic. Thank you. See you soon. Take care.